How's it going, everybody? So, hope you guys are doing well. The first thing that I want to do before getting into this video is I just want to take the time to thank you guys, because man, you guys have been going crazy on the Atlas Earth videos and just showing a lot of support on the channel. Like very early, we just hit 100 subs, and while that's not a lot, I mean, that's a pretty nice little milestone, honestly. 100 subs in 1 week, that's crazy. To be honest, I have had at least about 2 other channels in the past, 2 other YouTube channels that I have passed that milestone with, but never this quickly. It always took months to probably a year or 2 to do that. So the fact that you guys have already shown so much love and support, I just want to let you guys know that I really appreciate that. I'm reading you guys' comments, and you know, just the support is awesome. So thank you so much for that, guys. All right, so jumping right into this video. So I know you guys are probably excited to make about this video, been waiting for it. I don't know, guys. I'm pretty sure you can tell by the thumbnail. I don't know. I'm not knowing how I feel about Atlas Earth right now, to be completely honest with you. We'll go ahead and get right into it. I want to talk about the math. So the math in my previous 2 videos. The math that I made in the first video was definitely incorrect, and I definitely own that. Now, the math that I made in the second video is correct, but there was something that I recently just found out a couple of days ago that wasn't factored into the math in that video. So the math is correct to my knowledge at the time, but I've been trying to gather as much information as I possibly can. And basically, there's more that needs to kind of be factored into that math. So what I did is I just want to go ahead and show you guys. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys this. So this is some information that I just found out a couple of days ago. I reached out to support, and I just took like a snippet. And the reason why I took a snippet, I don't want to reveal the person who sent this to me, because if it's incorrect, I don't want anybody getting fired or anything. So this is what was told to me. So it says that we're responding to the message you submitted to Atlas Earth regarding questions. Thanks for getting in touch. So it says base rent currently is set to be 8 zeros, 11, 11. And this person actually put this extra number right here. Now that right there, I'm not really sure where that extra number comes from, but apparently that's how much we're actually making per base rent per parcel, even if you're offline. And then it says you can boost rent by 30x every hour. So it says if a player owns 1 parcel, their rent per second is this. So let's actually just kind of do the math on that and make sure that's correct. Pretty sure that is correct, but let's just see. So this person said 0.8 zeros, and then 11859,462, and then time. I'm guessing that you're timesing that by 30, right? So you see, so this is what I'm not understanding. I'm not understanding how they're calculating this, because this is not correct. You know, they're saying that this is, because this is basically 8 zeros 3, but I don't know. This is more of like, this is not 30x. This is more of like 3x, you know, because 30x would take off a 0. So I don't know if they are calculating this another way, but the way that it should be calculated, you should be making more money than this. And I think that's what's throwing a lot of people off, you know, because I have people in my comments saying that my math is wrong and all that. And it's like, no, it's not. It's just obviously they are calculating things differently. So that's what I'm not understanding. And I think that's what's throwing a lot of people off. So let me do that again. Let's do 8 zeros, 11, 8, 5, 9, 4, 6, 2 times 3. Okay, so even if you times that by 3, it's still not right. So I really don't know where they're getting this number from, to be honest with you. So that's why I didn't want to disclose the name of this person, because if this is wrong, then I don't want them to get fired, because I don't want nobody to lose their job, you know. But and then they said over the course of an hour, this player would earn 114. So once again, I don't feel like that's correct, because I don't know where they're getting these numbers from. Honestly, if you do the math, it just doesn't add up. So it says when a player boosted rent exceeds 2.5 cents per hour, we will reduce the boost by 10x. So guys, this right here is the information that was not really made clear, I feel like. And this kind of is disappointing, honestly. I believe that they are reducing people's rent per hour once you get a certain amount of rent per hour. Because I noticed the exact same thing has been happening to me. I've been reading a lot of comments of you guys saying that, you know, you have 50 parcels or you have 100 or 200 parcels, but you're only making a couple of cents and you should be making way more than that. So I think this is probably why, because what they're basically doing is the more parcels you get and the more you earn per hour, they're basically reducing the boost. They literally say that's expected and is part of the game's design. Rent boosts can be up to 30x and are based on the player's rent per second. For higher rent rates, rent boosts may be less than 30x. And it says, you have any other questions, you respond to this email or get in touch with us anytime at their email. And I actually did respond back to this email because I wanted to confirm some other things, but I haven't received a message back yet. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to be transparent with you guys on that. It seems like that's what's happening. And if that is what's happening, then that is rather unfortunate. And honestly, Atlas Realty, I'm not going to lie. If you guys are watching this video right now, the people are kind of speaking up. And I just want to kind of let you guys know, I think that this is a major downside. As of right now, the main source of money that people make comes from the boosts from watching the ads. So if you guys are reducing that boost and essentially capping the amount that people can make per hour, then there's really no incentive for people to continue to buy parcels at that point. And it kind of doesn't really make sense as to why anyone would continue investing in this app at that point if you're capped at pretty much what you can make, Otherwise, I mean, I guess you can still make a lot, but to be honest, the minimum boost amount I think was 2x. So, I mean, you have to dump so much money into this at 2x boost if you even want to come close to making anything, because the base rent amount is already so low. So, yeah, I mean, I just want to let you guys know that people are kind of speaking up. Atlas Earth is something that can really, really be awesome, but a lot of people are not going to like this. And, to be honest, at this point, you're not really making any money and you're not really going to get your investment back. You're going to be like 65 years old before you get your investment back at this rate. Now, I know that I do want to say, guys, like everybody watching this, I do want to say and just acknowledge the fact that the app is very young and it's very early still. So, for all we know, they could be planning on updating this and changing this. There's still a lot of other things that are going to come out that's going to allow people to make more money, get free parcels without having to invest anything else into it. And once again, you do have to just realize that this is something that is a passive residual income that is just giving you money each second without you having to really do much. But as of right now, it does kind of feel like it's not worth it, because based off of this math and, what's going on, and you guys reducing the boost, people aren't really making the kind of money that they should be making. So honestly, guys, I do just want to be transparent with you guys. As of right now, I'm at $4. I actually haven't been boosting nowhere near as much as I should be boosting, so I could probably already be at $5 right now. My next update with this video will probably be me cashing out successfully, just to show you guys that, just to make sure that you can successfully cash out, because I still haven't even done that yet. But to be honest, until this gets updated or until new features come out, I probably won't be investing anything else more into this. My original plan was to invest about $1,000 into this. I've invested about half of that so far. And as of right now, the way things are, I don't see myself putting any more money into this at this moment. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that, and I'll still be doing update videos as well with this. But as of right now, yeah, I just feel like it's not really worth investing a bunch of money into this right now, because you're not going to see, and that's kind of disappointing because I was really excited about this, and it's not something that I'm going to stop, because for one, I can't stop it because it's something that's going and it's going to keep going. But it is something that I'm not going to put any more money into right now. But I do realize that it's very early, and there is a really good possibility that things could be changed and updated. So like I said, Atlas Realty, if you guys are watching this, you know, the people are a little disappointed with this. You know, definitely see if you can do something about that. I mean, maybe you guys can make it to where the cash out limit is higher or something, whatever you guys need to do to keep the boost from being reduced. That is what's going to make people want to keep doing this. Because if you start reducing the boost, then people aren't going to be making any money, and there's really no point. So anyways, guys, yeah, this video is kind of a little, I hate it because it's kind of like a bad news video, I feel like. But I will say that if you guys are subscribed to this channel, or if you guys want to still build a good asset that's going to be making you money each day, I am doing my other series on KuCoin, which is going to be very similar to Atlas Earth. And you can basically do the same thing, but you'll actually make more money. And it's basically just lending crypto. And I'm going to be doing videos and weekly videos on that and building up that account as well. That is why I like to diversify. And you always got to diversify, because you just never know what could change, or what, you know, how things might end up being. So definitely, guys, stay tuned and stick around for those videos. And once again, I'll definitely still be doing update videos on KuCoin as well. So yeah, guys, kind of disappointing, I won't lie. But I still think that this app has a lot of potential. I mean, just because this is how things are right now doesn't mean this is how the app is going to continue to be for forever. So, you know, like I said, this does have potential to be really huge. There just needs to be some changes. And honestly, the rest of the features just need to go ahead and come out. And once they come out, we'll see how things go. I still think that selling and all that is going to be where the app is going to shine the most. And if it finds some kind of way to get a bunch of momentum and get incorporated into the metaverse and all that, I mean, there's a lot of possibilities with this still, and it's still very early. So just because, you know, if you own land right now and you feel like you're not making money and it's not worth it right now, just because that's the case right now doesn't mean that's how it's going to be, you know, a year from now, or, you know, just whenever, you know, however long it might take for certain features to come out to gain more popularity, or who knows, they could increase the boost, or they could stop the boost from being reduced. And, you know, if you guys are watching this, I do encourage you guys to get in touch with them and let them know, you know, because they are asking for feedback. And if you guys just feel like it's not worth it right now, but you're really interested in it, you guys let them know, you know, let them know how you feel about it and what they can do to improve it, you know, because I would love to see this thrive and be successful. But yeah, as of right now, I'm definitely not going to be putting any more money into it as of right now. So anyways, guys, yeah, that's kind of the update for right now. The next update that I'll be giving you guys will be probably just right when I'm about to go ahead and cash out, or I might go ahead and just wait until I actually cash out. And then once I see the proof into my PayPal account, I'll show you guys and just let you guys see that as proof, you know? So anyways, once again, I really appreciate you guys, man. 100 subs, man, that is awesome. You guys keep killing it, man. That's just crazy to me. But yeah, if you guys want to drop a like on this video, it really helps get the video out there and push my content out there. Once again, my goal is to, you know, help you guys kind of help walk you guys through some of the stuff that I'm doing to, you know, just create passive and just extra income for myself. And then with these Atlas Earth videos, the KuCoin videos and stuff like that, I'll be doing a lot of different things showing my progress with creating passive income for myself. So if you guys want to see that and follow me on this journey, definitely stay tuned. So hit that sub button if you want to, and looking forward to having you guys around for the ride. So anyways, you guys take it easy, and I'll talk to you in the next one.